Did you know that the shape of a logo can instantly influence how people feel about a brand? Think about the Nike swoosh. It's sleek and dynamic, making you feel movement and speed. Or McDonald's golden arches, inviting and familiar. Shapes aren't just decoration, they carry meaning and emotions. In this video, we'll explore how different shapes and symbols affect brand perception and how you can use them effectively in your logo designs. Let's dive in. Shapes create instant associations in the human mind. They trigger emotions, influence perception, and communicate messages without words. Whether it's circles, squares, triangles, or abstract forms, each shape has a unique psychological impact. Let's break down the most common shapes in logo design and what they symbolize. Circles, unity and friendliness. Circles are soft, welcoming, and symbolize unity, community, and harmony. Brands like Pepsi, Starbucks, and Target use circular logos to create a sense of inclusivity and approachability. If you want a brand to feel friendly and trustworthy, circles are a great choice. Squares and rectangles. Stability and strength. Squares and rectangles create a sense of structure, reliability, and professionalism. Think about brands like Microsoft, BBC, and Lego. Their logos use strong, balanced shapes to convey dependability and order. If you're designing for a corporate, tech, or finance brand, squared designs communicate stability. Triangles, power and innovation. Triangles symbolize energy, progression, and forward-thinking ideas. They create a sense of motion and direction, often pointing upwards to indicate growth and ambition. Brands like Adidas and Delta Airlines use triangles to communicate movement and innovation. If you're designing for a brand that wants to stand out as cutting edge, triangles are a powerful tool. Abstract shapes, creativity, and uniqueness. Not all logos stick to basic geometric shapes. Some use abstract or custom forms to create a unique and memorable identity. Think about Apple's bitten apple or the Twitter bird. These shapes don't just represent a brand name, they tell a story, making them iconic. Now, let's talk symbolism in logo design. Beyond basic shapes, symbols play a huge role in branding. A well-chosen symbol can make a logo instantly recognizable. For example, the Mercedes-Benz star symbolizes luxury and precision, while the Amazon arrow connects A to Z, representing everything under one roof. When using symbols, make sure they align with the brand's message. A great logo isn't just visually appealing, it's meaningful. So next time you design a logo, don't just focus on making it look good. Think about the psychology behind the shapes and symbols you use. What's your favorite brand logo in terms of shape and symbolism? Drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more graphic design tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.